Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty with a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. That is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This does have the Lariat package. Tow hooks up front, fog lights up front, alloy wheels, fixed running boards. It has the FX4 off-road package. It does have the tailgate handle, tailgate step, power sliding back window, tow package, four-wheel drive, obviously. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have a tan pinhole leather interior. These rear seats are heated, and you also have a 110 volt 3-prong outlet right there. Alright, and then you got your keypad right there. I use mine on my F-150 all the time. 3 driver presets. I'm going to go ahead and show you the VIN, and I will upload stills of these as well because there's no way you can read the VIN that fast. You want to go back and review these things. So we look down here, you're going to see that it has 41,456 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, your cruise control, stereo controls, push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering controls. Up the front, you got both cooled and heated front seats. Then you got your charging station right here. Then you got your key fob, cup holders, additional stowage down here, and additional power supplies as well. And then you do have another 110 outlet up here along with a 12 volt. Let's see, here's your disc. So at any rate, you come up for climate. This is where you would turn on your heated steering wheel. And your audio, your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your navigation, and if you want to see your backup camera, you pop it in reverse. It looks down because we have our tailgate down for our step, but it is an HD camera. Okay, and then you have 2 glove compartments. Come up top, you've got upfitter switches, and then you have a massive dual panoramic sunroof, which will get opened up for you. There you go, it's beautiful. All right, and that about wraps it up for this F-250 on the interior. This truck does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. The airbag's been off, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.